por favor, pareciera que estoy hablando solo. Yo digo, son vegetarianos, tú dices grrr. Yo digo, hay que hablarlo, tú dices grrr. Eso no es comunicación.
Sit up.
Come here, Jabari. Morning, Jabari. Who's my good boy? Who's my good boy? Who's my good...
Oh.
Sí, sí, sí. Ah, bueno. Bueno, sí.
Bueno,
Se sube,
bueno.
sí. Ay, ay.
No lo puedo creer.
Estamos todos encerrados aquí.
Ahora duerme.
Me quiere comer algo.
Ramón va a necesitar después un tratamiento.
No puedo creer.
Podemos mandar al gabinete, al gabinete psicopedagogo.
Mira, cierra los ojos. Es un bebé.
No puedo creer. ¿Qué? Bueno, con
¿Cómo está en posición y era de ataque?
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip? Bye.
Get it. You got it? The monkey just lit the ladder. He's gonna do it again. Look. Oh my god, dude. No, hey! What? I cannot believe that just happened. Are you serious, bro? En serio, mono. Oh my god! No más bebés para ti. Oh my god.
Uy, 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 uy.
Dat is ook, ja, ja, natuurlijk. Kom, kom, ga nu weg, verdorie. Ja.
Eigenlijk is dat cool.
For this one, I'm just gonna put half of those, okay?
Okay. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Thank you.
It'll be 25.
25. Does he get a
Yes,
card?
he's gonna get it.
¿Tu tarjeta, amor? Yeah, here, hold your puppy, hold your puppy.
When the wind's northerly, little birds like this get blown offshore. We pick them up, so we bring him in here, and we set him next to the heater. We feed him some crackers for the ride home, let him dry out. Poor little guy. You're all right. We'll give you some crackers and some chips. We'll take care of you. Buddy found a new seat. He's ripping my hair out of my head, the big. Nope, now he is sitting on the phone. We will be in about an hour, and we're gonna let him go free. Little guy's pretty excited to see land. Here he goes. See you later, buddy.
Stop. I said stop. Okay.
Get out. Go. Go. Get out of here.
Not let her lag.
Oh, she's.
Straight to the kennel, bro. Straight to the kennel, bro.
Damn, Adam, you're a G.
Ready?
Oh my goodness. That's it, you flick those slippers off.
I'm doing it.
How to tell when the piggies know it's dinner time. You ready?
Let the old one back in.
Because they all wait by the back door, look. Is that your dinner you can hear? My goodness. Is that your dinner that you can hear? Hello.
Wiggies.
It's like we're here, Dad. Look, we're right here. Look. Shall we go inside and get you dinner? Shall we? Come on then. Come on then. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Misty. That's it. In you go. Good girls. Go on. In you go. Come on then. Come on then. Hello, Jersey, sweetie. Hello, sweet. Come on then, this way. This way. Come on. Come on, that's it. Good girl. Say, come on, Daddy. You're fine. Yeah. Where's your dinner? Hey, tell Daddy where's your dinner.
This 11-year-old Shih Tzu came in as a stray today in possibly one of the worst matted cases that we have ever seen. We can only guess how long it took for him to get into this condition, but one thing we know for sure is that life is about to get so much better for this boy. 2 of our veterinary clinic staff had the tedious job of shaving off every single mat. When he first came in and before we shaved him, he weighed about 20 pounds. Our 2 vet staff members worked for over 2 hours shaving him, and they shaved off around 6.5 pounds of fur. We never know what we're going to see in terms of their skin condition when we take off the mats, but surprisingly, his skin is in fairly good shape. We are always so thankful for our veterinary staff and the hard work they put in every single day to create better lives for pets like him.
Relax. I'm just sitting here. Okay. Jojo. Honey. Jojo. Hey, Jojo. It's okay. You don't need to worry. It's Jake. I know. Well, he's not doing anything to you. You can sit down. Jake, lean back. He's moving away. Is that far enough for you? How is that not far enough? He's on the other side of the couch. You are just fine. Sit down.
Gecko in the skin suit. He do be looking itchy though. We shall help him. It is all right, my boy. We shall help. We shall put the boy in the water. I'm sorry, boy, but you cannot escape. He accept defeat. I put a little bit of water on the boy. And then I get the Q-tip. It is okay, my little boy. You are all right. He say, Mother, why you forsaken me? He wear the skin suit like baggy clothes, Billie Eilish type beat. The skin not attached to the boy, so we assist. He is like handbag. He say, oh mother, you are helping, thank you. Tasty. Now he just has it on his face. If he can have face mask, so can you. What a handsome gentleman. Happy boy.
So this little guy knocked over a beer and drank the whole thing. He's passed out and he's been this way all night. So I'm gonna wake him up here. 1, 2, 3. Hey! What happened, little buddy? You have too much to drink? Oh, hey, too much?
on your face.
Good bird.
Finnegan? It's the Finnegan Fox? It's the Finnegan Fox Friday? Oh my goodness, come here! Oh, it's so exciting! Hi! Did you miss me? I know I was out of town. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Oh, I know. How dare I leave? How dare I? Oh no! You're such a good boy! Yeah! I love you so much! I do! I love you so much! Yeah! Oh my! Oh, Leo!
What is this? Ben, I need to borrow some soap.
Oh, just a minute.
What? Dude, what are these?
Those are just
I said no more animals, dude.
I don't have any
What
more
are
animals,
you
man.
with? A possum?
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh my gosh. 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 That's so awesome. That is so awesome. Okay. Clutch.
Meso.
Gente, he comprado una mascota que puede matar a un ser humano. Esta cosa es súper venenosa. Y aquí está, la escolopendra gigante. El nombre científico es subspines. Ahora mismo la voy a meter en un terrario un poquito más grande, ¿vale? La voy a meter aquí. Así es, de cerca. La vamos a alimentar. Mirad. Dios. Dios.
Yeah.
Hey.
Show us a little sip, big dog. Just a tiny sip for the big lady, couple gallons, and then it shoots down the throat. See that? She's blasting it down her throat. It doesn't go all the way up. It goes up almost to her eyes, and then she shoots it down. That's got a little bit of slurp action that she can put out here. You cannot take her to a restaurant. Everybody always looks, kick her out. Blast it in. She shoot it down the throat.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Surprise, mother.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Valeria, no traiga más animales a la casa.
Es que está muy bonito.
O se va el animal o me voy yo.
Pues vaya usted porque el animal se queda.
Ay.
Hola chicos, vamos a buscar a Lucy, que está en la pieza de mis padres. Lucy, ¿qué sos? La perra espía que estabas ahí esperando que... ¡Lucy!
Les quiero contar que Vilma se encerró de nuevo, como siempre, y está llorando porque acá la escucho. ¡Vil! ¡Vil! ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde? No te veo. Ay, ahí estás. Bueno, bueno. Vil, déjate de joder, recién llego. ¿Qué querés, que me ponga a correr con vos? Estás enojada. Eso. Qué lindas mortales, mi amor. ¿Querés jugar? Esa.
Come on, Smokey. Good boy. Whoa. Holy fuck.
Lucy, esto es lo único que podés comer por hoy, ¿eh? Acordate que estás a dieta. Tomá. Pero no te enojes, Lucy. Estás a dieta. ¿Lo vas a comer? Lucy, qué malagradecida que sos. Qué malagradecida que sos, Lucy.
Get away, get away, get away, get away! Oh my god, what the fuck! Oh my god!
Chicos, acabo de venir al patio de mi casa y no saben lo que acabo de ver, tipo, no entiendo nada. El gatito le está tomando la teta a mi perra grandanés, o sea que es enorme encima. Oh, sos más buena vos. ¿Y vos qué haces acá, chiquitito? Miren lo que está haciendo, le está tomando la teta. Ahí le busca la otra, miren, miren. Pone las manitos y le toma la teta, es re tierno. Encima ronronea. ¿Qué pasa? ¿No querés más teta, chiquitito? Miren la diferencia de tamaño, es re bebé. Y ahora están jugando, tipo, él lo rajuña y ella es tipo como que hace que lo muerde, es como su mamá. O sea, yo no sabía que podía pasar eso.
Well, she was very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
Chicos, miren lo que acabo de encontrar. Les juro que va a ser lo más hermoso que van a ver hoy. Un peludo bebé. Miren lo que es. Es súper chiquitito. Es hermoso. ¿Los conocían a los peludos? Les voy a mostrar la diferencia entre peludo y mulita. Y esta es una mulita, que también es bebé. Las mulitas son un poco más chiquititas, menos peludas, más limpitas. Y acá están los dos para ver la diferencia. ¡Chao! Este vuelve. ¿Qué hace? Para otro lado, amigo. Mirá.
Oh, dear girl. Hello. Oh, it's good. I love you. I love you. Yeah. That's a bite. You bit my nose. What doing? Hey. Make a pancake. Come on. Oh, not nice.
Acabo de ver un video en el que se comprueba la calidad de tu cámara y vean.
Véanla cómo se jala sus... ¡Ah, chinga! ¡Hola, hola, hola! ¿Qué pedo? ¡Ah! Se está lavando. Güey, ¿cómo se jala sus antenitas, güey? ¡Qué pedo! ¡Sus manitas!
El precioso momento donde el perro le enseña al bebé cómo saltar, dice. A ver, vamos a ver. ¡Ay! ¡Me saltan dos patas encima! Le está enseñando. ¿Quién necesita padre cuando tenés un señor perro para enseñarle? Mirá. Ah, no, pará. Le está... No. Le está queriendo saltar en la sombra de la cabeza del bebé.
Oh, snap, guys. The baby daddy of Canela. Is your hair nappy, boy? Let me check. Damn, dude. Why you walk away like that? Shit. Hey, bro. Is your hair nappy, man? Let me check. Oh! He said, not today, bro. Just check if his hair is nappy. Go check. Hurry. Oh, okay. Hey, Camel, is your hair nappy, boy? Oh, shit. Flex on him real quick. Okay. Shit. Hey, your hair nappy, boy? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ooh. Okay. Okay, go. Baby, hey, it's okay, you can go. Go. It's a pleasure.
Hi. Hey there. You okay? It's alright. Oh, I'm so hurt. I'm gonna get him.
God, it's gonna like start flapping its wings when it's an owl. I'm videoing. Oh, it looks like a baby.
It's so cute.
It really is.
Was it bleeding? No, I didn't see any blood. Oh, I hope he doesn't die.
It's so cute.
What do you give Al for breakfast? Shh. I'm a father. I shall name you Roger. You like that name? You like the name Roger? I hope so. He's so cute. Okay. We've got him in a box wrapped up until tomorrow. Hope he's alive.
Esta es una de mis colonias de hormigas, son más de 2500 y uno de sus bebederos se ha agotado. Este líquido amarillo les encanta, viene directamente de Estados Unidos y está cargado de mucho azúcar, les encanta. El metacrilato rojo sirve para hacer que crean que están tapadas, ya que no ven el rojo. ¡Wow! Son muchísimas. Por cierto, esta es la reina, la que ha criado a todas estas pequeñajas. Estas cosillas que parecen arroz son larvas. Estas puparán y se transformarán en adorables obreras. ¿Queréis ver más? Entrad a mi perfil.
Anyone that's ever been around roosters knows that the only intimidating thing about a rooster is the giant sword-like talon spurs that come off the side of their legs. But did you know that you're actually supposed to remove those spurs? It's actually really simple to do, and if you have roosters, you need to learn how to do it, so I'm going to show you. So this is Daryl and Merle Dixon, two of our most intimidating looking roosters, and today we're going to de-spur them. So all you need to do is grab some needle nose pliers, and what you're going to want to do is grab the spur by the base where it connects to the leg and and just give it a good twist, and it'll pop right off. So the spur is actually part of the leg bone that's covered in a keratin material, kind of like their beaks. So you literally just twist it and the keratin material just pops right off. So it's basically just like a little sheath for their little rooster swords. But the reason why you have to trim these is because the spurs never stop growing, and if you don't keep them trimmed, then they can actually curve around and grow back into the rooster's leg, which could be life-threatening for your rooster. So I'm going to show you guys on Daryl now. We just did Merle, but Daryl bled a lot more, so I wanted you guys to see the difference because roosters are just like people. Some bleed a little bit heavier than others, but this is just like trimming their nails. It does not hurt them. And as a little bonus, when you pop off the little keratin sheath, you can actually give it to your dog as a treat. So that's my Roo awareness for the day, and now these bad boys can go back to pretending like they're big and scary.